Hello children. Today Miss will take you to Kevin's house. ഇന്ന് മിസ് കെവിൻ്റെ വീട്ടിലേക്ക് നിങ്ങളെ കൊണ്ടുപോകാം. See, this is Kevin's house. Kevin's mother wanted to give a surprise to Kevin. So, one day his mother invited Kevin's friends to his house. When he realized that, he hugged his mother with happiness. Kevin made his friends sit in their living room. കെവിൻ്റെ ഫ്രണ്ട്സിനെ എവിടെയാണ് ഇരുത്തിയതെന്ന് അറിയാവോ? ലിവിംഗ് റൂമിൽ ഇരുത്തി. There, Kevin's friends saw a sofa, teapot, furnitures, etc. അവിടെ അവരെന്തൊക്കെയാണ് കണ്ടത്? സോഫ കണ്ടു, ടീപോയ് കണ്ടു, കുറേ ഫർണിച്ചറും കുറേ പ്ലാന്റ്സും ഒക്കെ കണ്ടു. After giving them drinks, he took them to see all the rooms one by one. First, he took them to his own bedroom. ആദ്യം കെവിൻ അവരെല്ലാം എവിടെയാണ് കൊണ്ടുപോയതെന്ന് അറിയാവോ? കെവിൻ്റെ സ്വന്തം ബെഡ്റൂമിലേക്ക്. See, this is bedroom. There they saw a cot with bed, a study table, shelves, etc. Then he showed his bathroom. See, this is bathroom. There they saw tap, shower, closet, soap, etc. Next, he took them to the kitchen. See children, this is a kitchen. In the kitchen, everything was arranged in a systematic order. There they saw gas stove, plates, cupboards, spoon, knives, etc. കിച്ചണിൽ എന്തൊക്കെയാണ് ഉണ്ടാവണത്? ഗ്യാസ് സ്റ്റവ് ഉണ്ടാവും, പിന്നെ പ്ലേറ്റ്സ് ഉണ്ടാവും, അല്ലേ, ഒത്തിരി സാധനങ്ങൾ ഉണ്ടാവും അല്ലേ. അതെല്ലാം നന്നായിട്ട് അടക്കിയാണ് വെച്ചത്. After exploring the house, Kevin invited them to play with him and they went out to play. After some time, Kevin's mother called everyone to have lunch. Children washed their hands and gathered in the dining room. കുറച്ച് നേരം കഴിഞ്ഞപ്പോൾ കെവിൻ്റെ അമ്മ എല്ലാവരെയും ലഞ്ച് കഴിക്കാനായിട്ട് വിളിച്ചു. എല്ലാവരും കൈയെല്ലാം കഴുകിയിട്ട് എവിടെയാണ് ഗ്യാദർ ചെയ്തതെന്ന് അറിയാവോ? ഡൈനിങ് റൂം. See children, this is dining room. There they could see a beautiful flowers arranged and kept on the dining table. The chairs were also arranged in a good manner. After lunch, Kevin's mother gave them ice cream. Everybody enjoyed their day in Kevin's house and went back home. Children, did you see Kevin's house? So tell me, in which room did you see sofa, teapot and furniture? Yes, in living room. In which room did you see cot, bed, study table? Very good. In bedroom. Where did you see the soap, shower and closet? At bathroom. Where did you see gas stove, plates, knives, etc.? Yes, at kitchen. In which room did they have their lunch? Very good. In dining room. So, today we learned the rooms in a house. Let us go through the rooms once again. Living room. Here you can see the furniture, sofa for sitting and teapot for keeping things. Bedroom. Here you can see the cot with bed for you to sleep and related furnitures. Bathroom. This is a place where you can clean up yourself and you can see soap, towel, tap, shower, closet, etc. Kitchen. This is a place where your mama cooks for you and you can see many equipments like gas stove, plates and knives, etc. which are helpful for the cooking. Dining room. Here you can see the dining table with chairs around it to have your food. Now we have a worksheet to do. Here is a worksheet. The question is, color the bedroom and the living room. Circle the kitchen and the bathroom. Children, you should color the bedroom and the living room. You can circle the kitchen and the bathroom. Children, you can also do an activity of your own. That is, go to each room of your house and then name the rooms. Discuss about it with your teachers during the Google Meet. You can also make a small video of it and show it during the meet. I'll be soon back. Take care. Bye.